Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to create your shopping list by adding new entries to it on the Lidl application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should click on this shopping list button down below, which is the third option marked with the heart icon. And after that, you should click on the new entry button at the bottom of the screen. Here you should type in the name of the product that you would like to add to your shopping list. So here you can find this search bar in the middle of the screen. So type in the name of the product that you are looking for. And then click on the OK button to add it to your shopping list. So here you can see it. Type in all of the items, and as you can see, they are organized into alphabetical order or in alphabetical order. And if you click on this pencil icon at the top of the screen, you can delete entries by clicking on the bin icon, and when you are done, tap on the check mark icon. And basically that's it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.